of them bali balina studio nga balina offices. So when I started mobile studio doing everything somewhere nabone batandika bikola. These are the things we have to be flexible. Tobiteeka mu nnyo obukodyo bijja kulema because what you're dealing with is not yours. It's of God, the creator of the universe.
So vibe ejira ku kitanda, it is okay.
Exactly, yes. Ekitanda tekirina buzibu because kikyo mufaliso gugwo. Everything is yours. Do whatever that
be you.
Whatever you own, use it successfully. Use it representatively, representably, you know, repeatedly again. Like the truth is, chikole, respectfully, because it's yours. No one is going to come and hit you.
At the end of the day, we want results. There's mattering.
You get, because that's the work. Yeah, we have the difference between work. Production is work because it's from the God Himself. The God of heaven and earth, and then we have the job bye bintu ebyamwene mugenda mu company ni wajja ne bakusasula omwezi bichi salary wages bakitegezwa ina boss wo kati boss wo yasalawo osangawo ng'emmeeza agitaddewo ekitanda kitadde ng'omanya yoyo gwogenze kukima kasente kati eyo job kati ate owner aba amanyi gy'agenda obikola. So me, I own my own job and life, so I'm proud to have music everywhere. I no bad over, but it is in me here. Yeah, that's the music.
Okay. Is Daddy Andre sing anyone?
Daddy Andre is singing. Very sing. I watch, I look, I see.
Okay, is Daddy Andre dating anyone?
There is dating while I'm already aware that I have someone that I love.
Okay, is Daddy Andre in love with someone?
Yes, I love. Yes, I love. Yes. Gosobola obutayagala. Nze njagala ne miss. Nempita nawo.
So Daddy Andre sibulako ku bantu abatulaba.
Abasiibula tujja kwegwako. Lwala nga tukomyewo wano ku interviews okitegedde naye nga kyakabi. Watch the channel them. Everything I read, the girl, my beauty girl, she understands everything that she wants about. Everyone come over. Look for the girls, them now. Them are represent.
Nzize wano ku Lwabasoga. Bantumye. Nzize mbuze Andre mu Lusoga. Okoba otya?
Azira. Wazira.
Obola sina.
Oma.
Wauma?
Oma.
Odaha soda.
Ndaha soda.
Daha soda.
Oh, nywa soda.
One thing I want to ask you.
I love you too. It's okay.
Yeah. I love you too, but my simple ekibuuzo kyange kisookera ddala kiri nti omwami gwe beta temperature omwidde.
Mwidde onava kumubuuzaako.
Ava mu kubuuzaako. Akubuuziza batya ye?
Muganda wange.
Mugemagana. Muzira natabu.
He's a brother, yo. He's a little brother, yo.
Hey.
Kugemagana?
Ayewe. Obukodyo bwotaawo tibutegeera cause TD ng'ejja otandika ku embracinga mu ntayembo tiniiwe.
Oh Lord. Aye kati butiyo. Obayiro oyenda ensolo the diva dikola ebintu omuntu byalina okukola. It is very nice to bless because that is you see, you as well, Muchiraba Antino, it is my line. So if I don't bless the work of my hands, and that one was given from God Himself to me. So if I supply, they pick. God is becoming happy because His work is moving and is supplying. Kuba abantu abasinga ongi baali bakola bibi. Kati wetufuna abantu abaana. Ate nga abantu baffe batandika okukola ekyo kyennyini. We have to be proud of them and we have to bless them. Be that so that they continue preaching the gospel of music.
Oyina yoko remba rona royenda, but she can't sing the lyrics.
Because they can't sing the lyrics. Because music is not the lyrics. Music is the composition. So music is taught in a different manner and it's written in a different manner. So church tegeza go better rhythm biwandikibwa bulala. Then lyrics ezo buli omasobola okuwandika lyrics. So kitegeeza nsobola okukola oluyimba nga tuliko lyrics n'ogenda n'ozikola ne kugundi n'ozeewandiikira.
Okay, my simple question. To all men, you're a man. Why do you guys mubeera muwana abakazi balungi ka Pretty Shuga neto so amwagala ebiri real byakumuzanyirako. Yeah.
Okay. Kamba yambe era ne kino.
Tuyambe.
Omusajja. Waba ayagala omukazi. Oyagala mwagaleko ki?
Like otegera byegamba Shuga. Oyinza okubanga Shuga.
Oyagala akwagaleko ki?
What do you bring on the table?
No, like I'm like no, not uliriza.
Woman.
Si bintu omanyi kati mwe mulowoleza nnyo mu bintu kintu. Like what I'm trying to mean, because yo musajja okwagala kugambye akwagala ko kiso sinte akwagaza ki? Akwagala ko ki? Okay, toge uliriza kankutereze. Abasajja babanoonyako baana otudda mazima mu nature. Then abasajja babanoonyako essanyu kumwe lye mwina. You know what I'm trying to mean. You get, this is the truth and you can't hide it. Kati wetuva kwekyo family mwe muva kiri ekintu nawe mwe muva amakago owulira. So kiba kitegeeza gwe kyoliko omusajja kyayagala naye ate kiri ku ggwe. Kyovola bajja nagamba oh my god you look beautiful. Akugamba you look beautiful igwe. But wagamba you look beautiful tategeezeza nti no you are in me, you've entered in me. Listen to this. Jagala mutegero lalo. When I come and say you look beautiful, omusajja yakusoose era abasajja be bakwana. Kiba kitegeeza bana abasajja akwagadde tannabanna kubikula. But who you are, where you came from, you are blessed to have that man say something to you because they've liked you. That is not love. He's going to tell you, I like you, oh my God, you're beautiful. What? Because love is within me. Even if I don't tell you that I love you, it is going to help me because I am the one in love. I am the one loving. Meaning, the love it's helping me is not helping both of us. So you to make sure that the man says that they like you. If you like them as well, let the love grow. And if you love them, it doesn't need him to love you again or to love you back. But the love is within you, that you feels it, that you has it. So why do you want your love to be heard out by someone else who is not in you? That means you are trying to force other people abide by your rules. Ate Katonda takyagala. Katonda agenda kulumya atya, agenda kukasinga atya. Katonda tayagala nnyo bantu taking over bantu be. Kuba ffenna twagala kye kimu. Kati gogamba gayi tanjagala. Gayi ayagala Katonda ali mu ye okusinga. Naawe mpuliriza omanyi lwaki gwe lwaki oli complaining anti no tebakwagala. Kozi gwe naawe
Silverback Lounge awo ku Salama Road kyekifo ekigenda okukuwa emirembe gwateekateeka birthday party. Olina meeting za kwanjula jangu otweyune. Tulina restaurant efumba emmere ya wano nebunaayira. Tulina washing bay, emmotoka evaawo etukula n'akafo akalungi ak'okuwummuliramu. Tulina kakaawa akalungi kale gwe wenna ateekateeka omukolo gw'engeri yonna. Weeyune Silverback Lounge ku Salama Road okulira na Makindye Secondary School. Tugoberere ku social media sites zaffe ku TikTok, Facebook, Instagram ng'era tukola essaawa 24. Tukola deliveries ku Jumia ne Glovo. Tufune ku noti 755 322 755 noti ng'eri ku WhatsApp oba noti 2 noti 994 emu. Silverback Lounge, the peak of enjoyment.